Saving money can be a fun and smart way to get what you want without spending too much. Here are some easy tips to help you save money and not spend it all. First, set a savings goal. Think about something special you want, like a new toy or a game, if you're that young. Write it down and decide how much money you need to save. Next, make a budget. List your income, like your allowance or money from your chores, and your expenses, such as snacks or, I don't know, anything else. This is going to help you see where your money goes. Then, avoid impulse buys. Before buying something, wait a day or two to see if you still want it. And this is going to help you avoid spending on things that you don't really need. Also, you got to find ways to earn extra money. You can do chores, help neighbors, or have a lemonade stand. You know what I'm trying to say. Use that money to boost your savings. Lastly, keep your money in a safe place. Use a savings account to keep your money secure and separate from your spending money. All right? By following these tips, you can save money and reach your goals without spending it all. That's just the bottom line, all right?